Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter again. Please open to page number 22. The name of the chapter is Celebrations. Take a pencil in your hand. So here you all can see there are a number of pictures given. These pictures are of different festivals, and the names of the festivals are given over here, and the pictures are given which depicts different celebrations. That means the festivals which we celebrate all over India. Okay, the name of the state and a picture of their celebrations are given. Fine, the picture of celebration is given and the name of the state is also mentioned over here. You all need to guess which picture depicts which celebration. Fine, which picture depicts which celebration or which festival it is depicting. Okay, we have to write the names, and the celebrations or the festivals are written over here. From here the list is given. From this list we have to choose and write in the blank place given. Please take a pencil in your hand. Come on, let's see the first picture. It is Kerala. Can you see the picture? It is a festival celebrated in Kerala. You all know which festival it is. See the picture very well. It is the picture of Onam. The celebration which is being done is, the festival name is Onam. It is celebrated to remember King Mahabali and is also termed as the harvest festival. When there are lot of harvest, this festival is done, celebrated. It is the name Onam. Please write over here with pencil in neat handwriting ONAM, Onam. Please select from the list. See, it is given over here. Please tick mark over here and write Onam. Come on to the second one. See this, Gujarat. It is celebrated in Gujarat. See, everyone is playing something with Dandi. Right, the name of the festival is Dandiya. Everyone is dancing with these sticks. These are known as Dandiyas. So it is a socio-religious folk dance originated in the state of Gujarat and is popularly performed in the festival of Navratri. You all know what is Navratri? Obviously, after Navratri, during the ending of the festival, this is done. Most of you must have heard, or most of you must have seen also what this folk dance is. So just remember, this is a socio-religious folk dance which is originated in the state of Gujarat. Okay, please write over here Dandiya. Select from the list. See, this is written over here, Dandiya. Please tick mark over here and write Dandiya. Come on to the third one. Can you see this picture? Everyone knows whose picture this is. This is the picture of Lord Ganesha. And see, it's a huge picture given. People are celebrating, and which state it is? It is the state of Maharashtra. So the festival that is celebrated is Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated in Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha, and Lord Ganesha is considered to be the god of new beginnings. Any new beginning you do, you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Why? Because the festival begins, or any new beginning happens, it begins with in the name of Lord Ganesha. Please write over here Ganesh Chaturthi. See the spelling, it's given in the list. This is the last one. Please tick mark over here and write. Come on to the fourth one. Now this is familiar to everyone because we live in West Bengal. This is our state festival. So we all do, though the whole country celebrates, but still West Bengal celebrates this festival in most of the areas. The name of this festival is Durga Puja. See, you have the idol of Durga Ma is there, and the other 4 children with her. So the name of this festival is Durga Puja. See the list. The first one, it is Durga Puja. It is also annual Hindu festival which is originated in the Indian subcontinent, which pays homage to the Hindu goddess Ma Durga. It pays homage. What do we mean by homage? That means tribute, or we bow down to Ma Durga. Okay, so the name of this puja is the Durga Puja. Please write with pencil. Everyone in neat handwriting, please write Durga Puja. Come on to the fifth one. See the picture. Have you all seen? People are dancing around this fire, and the state name is Punjab. So the name of this festival is Lohri. Everyone see the list. The second one, it is write Lohri over here. Lohri is again a popular winter folk festival celebrated in the Punjab region, and it is believed that the festival marks the passing of the winter solstice. You all know what is winter solstice? So there is a time duration when the winter solstice occurs, and during that time, that means after the passing of winter, during that time this festival is celebrated. Just when the winter is almost nearing to the end, during the springtime, it is a popular winter folk festival which is celebrated in Punjab. Please write Lohri over here. Now come on to the sixth one. See the festival. See everyone, it is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Can you all see people are doing something in this handi like thing? This is a festival, that means they are cooking something in this utensil. This is in Tamil Nadu. The name of this festival is Pongal. The name of this festival is Pongal. It is a major festival of South India, Tamil Nadu, which is celebrated annually in the month of January. It is celebrated in the month of January. It is also called as Makar Sankranti in northern India. In North India we call it Makar Sankranti, and in South India it is termed as Pongal. Please write with pencil in neat handwriting Pongal. See the list and write Pongal. Okay, everyone, is it's clear the name of the festivals and the pictures given? So please just try to remember the state name and the name of the festival, and just one line which I told, just try to remember those lines so that easy question comes and you all can answer them easily. Fine, please, I hope you all will be completing the chapter and sending it to me by Wednesday. Okay, bye for today.